Nagbigay ba ho dito ng timetable si Presidente para po sa talagang kasi po ito ang binabanggit niyo, ito yung mga paunang report sa inyo 'no, itong na talagang bumigay kasi overloaded yung truck. Meron bang timetable na
Yes,
ibinigay si
opo.
Presidente?
Well, with the, sabi niya, we'll have to do the assessment and investigations as quickly as possible. And at the same time, tingnan natin kung how we can quickly restore actually or rehabilitate the bridge para naman masayang din naman yung investments that have been there. I think yun ang pan ni Presidente for us now.
Mhm. Opo, opo. Yung heads will roll na sinasabi ng Office of sa Malacanang, magkakaroon ba ng gugulong na ulo dito kung yun ang dahilan, overloaded na truck na dumaan?
Well, titingnan namin, Ted.
Opo, opo.
Look at it kasi mahabang history na itong plane na ito. Eh. Sabi ko from 2012 yan na umpisa ng design nito at saka hanggang 2024 yung retrofitting.
Opo, opo. So kung 2012, 2025 na 2024, that's 12 years in the
Yeah.
making, kumbaga.
Yeah, I also want to make clear that the retrofitting was not initiated by this administration. No,
Mm.
the retrofitting decision was made in sometime in 2022, in early 2022.